Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add yellow basket on TikTok shop. So let's start the video. So there are actually few things that you need for you to add a yellow basket in your TikTok shop. So one of those requirements is you need to first have a TikTok shop. So in this case, if you already have a TikTok shop, you just need to follow the following steps for you to add a yellow basket. So first thing you need to do here is you first have to create and upload a new video by clicking on the plus icon at the very bottom center of your screen. Now from there just proceed on adding captions and hashtags in this section and just click on next, and from there you just need to add a link and pick a product from your showcase and just hit on add and adjust the product name. Now from there click the post button to share the video on TikTok, and that's it. The viewer can now spot the yellow shopping cart and make a direct purchase from your video. So this one is quite easy and straightforward and you should be good. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.